Hi everyone, today I am going to show you how to delete internet history in your Internet Explorer. So I'm in Windows 7 and I'm going to open my Internet Explorer. Now as I have opened my Internet Explorer, it has gone to the default base msn.com, so that is not important. Now we have to go to the this option and then about Internet Explorer. So this does not show you to delete the history, it just shows the version you're using. So I'm using Internet Explorer 8, it may be different on other versions. Anyway, I'm going to write G in the search box to demonstrate that I have visited a site, and that site is actually Google. So it is showing me Google because I have searched it before. Now I want to delete it. In your case, you may have searched more than that and that may be showing in your search box. So if you want to delete it, and along with it many other things like cookies or passwords or any other data, you have to go to safety and then you have to go to delete browsing history. So you have a window that is showing you all the things that you want to delete. Now in here you have to select history specifically for the reason you want to delete history. Along with it you may delete other things such as cookies, form data, passwords, in private filtering data, temporary internet files, preserve favorites, website data, etc. So after selecting all that you need to delete, click delete. Now it has taken some time but it was quick. Now I'm going to write G again, but this time it is not showing google.com, which means I have deleted my history. So that's how you can actually delete history on your Internet Explorer 8. So thank you guys for watching this video.